Do you believe that the speed of prosecution and the court process is reasonable or too slow? Any suggestion which can help with the situation?
Well, I mean, just look at the facts. The umbrella movement started in 2014, and that resulted in some convictions. Now, it's only very recently that the principal offenders involved in those crimes have been released from prison, even though their terms of imprisonment were very short. Now, what does that tell you? How speedy was that process? Okay? Obviously, very slow. Now, I'm not saying whether it's too slow, I'm just saying very slow. Let's look at the present situation now. We were told, I think in the newspapers yesterday, that over 4,000 people have been arrested, and I think yesterday there were many more, 200 more. So over 4,000 have been arrested, and only 500 have been charged, right? Now, what's happened to the rest? The ones who have been arrested. The process of justice is meant to be seamless. The duty of the police is to bring criminals to justice, okay? That means that when they have begun their period of detention on arrest, the police have 48 hours to get their act together, lay the charges, bring them before a magistrate, and the prisoner has been brought to justice. It's now the justice system that takes over, and it's the magistrates who then determine whether, having, in light of the charge, whether the person should be in detention pending trial or to be released on bail, and what the conditions of bail are, right? Now, that process seems to have been completely stalled in Hong Kong. 6 months into this crisis, we have not seen a single conviction or acquittal by a court of a really serious offense. Now, what does that tell you about the speed of prosecution process that you've just asked me about?